Today, we're going to be jamming through 5 carefully selected journal prompts designed to help us unpack our feelings, crystallize our thoughts, and ultimately gain invaluable insights into how we adapt, evolve, and flourish during these transformative periods of our lives. So grab your journal and your favorite pen because we're about to get reflective and transformative up in here. You're listening to the Journal Party Podcast, where every week we get together for the ultimate journal jam sesh as we journal through life together as a community. My name's Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that till we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, or even just follow along in your car. If you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. Hey there, party people. Thanks for tuning in once again to the Journal Party Podcast, the space where we turn introspection into a celebration. I'm your host, Alex Gallner, and I've got something really special lined up for today's episode. We're going to be exploring a topic that hits home for everyone, no matter where you are in your journey. Navigating through life's ever-changing tides and transitions. Now, we all know that life doesn't stay static. At different junctures, we encounter significant changes that shift the course of our existence. These changes might include the invigorating yet nerve-wracking experience of relocating to a whole new city, the electric jitters of stepping into a new job role, or the life-altering transitions like embarking on the adventure of parenthood or settling into the golden years of retirement. Sure, these transitions can be daunting, but here's the thing. They're also ripe with opportunities for personal growth and self-discovery. Today, we're going to be jamming through 5 carefully selected journal prompts designed to help us unpack our feelings, crystallize our thoughts, and ultimately gain invaluable insights into how we adapt, evolve, and flourish during these transformative periods of our lives. So grab your journal and your favorite pen because we're about to get reflective and transformative up in here. Are you ready? Let's do it. Here comes prompt number 1. Think of a significant life transition you've recently experienced or are currently going through now. Describe the situation and the initial emotions it evoked in you. Prompt number 2. With every change comes a mix of loss and gain. Reflect on what you feel you've left behind and what you've gained or hope to gain from this transition. Prompt number 3. Transitions often push us out of our comfort zones. Describe a challenge you faced during this period and how you overcame it, or strategies you're considering to tackle it. Prompt number 4. Personal growth is a silver lining in the cloud of change. Reflect on a lesson or insight you've gained from this transition. How has it shaped or how is it shaping your perspective? Last but not least, here comes prompt number 5. Envision how you'd like to feel once you've fully navigated this transition. What steps can you take to ensure a smoother journey towards that desired state of being? right, pretty good, Journal Party. Life transitions with their whirlwind of emotions are a testament to the ever-evolving nature of our existence. They remind us of our resilience, our capacity to adapt, and our innate ability to grow from every experience. So I hope today's prompts have offered you a moment of reflection and clarity as you navigate your personal transitions. And if you're keen on deepening this introspective journey, consider exploring Journal Party Premium. It's a realm of guided journaling, mood and energy trackers, as well as a community that supports and celebrates every phase of life. So begin your free 7-day trial by visiting try.journalparty.com. And as always, let's keep our stories and reflections flowing. Connect with us on Instagram and TikTok at Journal Party OMG or join our private Facebook group. Your experiences, challenges, and triumphs are the heartbeat of this party. And thank you so much for tuning in and journaling with us today. Embrace the changes, cherish the growth, and always remember that every transition is a stepping stone to a richer life journey. Party on.